10 rules to lose weight and body fat permanently. Would you like to know just how to reduce weight rapidly and also shed that weight forever? Right here are the 10 rules you need to do to minimize weight and also keep body fat away completely. Remember, this is the first video in the series and is for preparation for your weight loss journey. Hey friends, if you're first time watching this weight loss series video on this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the bell icon, and if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like video. Cardio workouts. Do your cardio exercise often. This can be any exercise that develop your heart rate to the level that you are puffing for a minimum of 20-30 minutes. Do your cardio workout 5 to 6 times a week if you wish to lower weight, or 2 to 3 times a week for weight maintenance. Build muscles. Muscular tissue shed calories also when you are not doing anything or relaxing. The more muscular tissue mass you have, the more calories you will shed a day, and also in the course of a time, the calories you stored will certainly build up extremely substantially. Building muscular tissue mass is one sure method of shedding body fat permanently. Consume carbs early. Take your dishes with carbohydrates earlier in the day and also lower carbohydrates on later meals. This is to avoid extra carbohydrates from developing into body fat when you sleep and to control insulin decrease. Do not be scared of fats. The fats in your diet that are bad for you are saturated and trans fats. So replace these bad fats with unsaturated fat and also vital fatty acids. As well as these good fats will keep your body fat and also fat-related diseases down. Yet, do take your fats in small amounts. After all, they are still calorie-laden. Complex carbs. Pick your carbohydrates. Avoid starchy as well as polished carbs such as pasta, pizza, white rice as well as white breads. Replace them with brown rice, brownish bread and also high fiber carbs like green leafy veggies. Food portion. Decide how much you want to eat at each dish and then keep it to it, and do not eat anymore. When that portion is taken in, eat slowly to allow your body to signal to your mind that you are full. This typically takes about 20 minutes. Additional food implies additional and also calorie suggests added body fat if the food is not transformed to power. Avoid canned or boxed food. These foods are normally high in trans fat, salt, sugar and simply carbs, which will certainly assist you to put on weight and body fat. Eat often. By eating commonly, state at every 3 hourly period, your body will certainly believe that food is bountiful and also as a result less most likely to save body fat for emergencies such as famine. However, do keep in mind to maintain the portion small so as not to eat even more calories than you expend. Get 8 hours of sleep. Rest research after study has revealed that individuals with less sleep are extra vulnerable to being fat. Do not skip meals. Skipping meals will certainly slow your metabolism and force your body to use your muscle mass for energy rather than your body fat. This is a vicious cycle. The less muscular tissue you have, the lot more your metabolism reduces. Friends, if you like more free advice and tips from experts, hit the link in the description, and once again, if you have not subscribed and liked the video, just do it now. There you are. Include it in your lifestyle by developing to these 10 commandments. Not just will you minimize weight, yet will certainly shed your body fat forever.